I'm Anna. I am looking at streets as cultural heritage. This is still my first year in the PhD, so I'm mostly looking at trying to figure out the methodology that I'm going to use. Okay, I didn't know that happened. Okay, so we know that streets are a very important part of the cultural heritage of the city, and they're a very big part of the historic urban landscape of the city. So within that, despite the fact that within the historic urban landscape, change is something that is welcomed and it's something that happens, the way we manage this change becomes a very important factor of how we can protect the cultural heritage and how we can help the street continue to be a very lively and a very important place. So the way I need to look at that is through different disciplines. Each one of those looks at different parts of the street, gives value to different parts of the street. And what I am mostly interested in, while I'm starting from heritage, which is my main discipline, heritage only very recently has started to include people and change as things that are welcomed and things that need to happen. And this is how each discipline talks about the things that are good about the cultural space, about the cultural heritage of streets. So I am looking at specifically streets that are in conservation areas. So there is a managed change within them. Having said that, North Street is in a conservation area, in two conservation areas, and that has not protected and has protected very little of the built fabric, just the listed buildings. So there is something fundamentally wrong about how we protect our streets, even when they are deemed of historic value. And I'm hoping to help that by finding a little bit more about it. Thank you very much.